Today we're diving into Google's NotebookLM, a tool that's going to revolutionize the way you manage information. In this tutorial, we'll break down what NotebookLM is, explore how it can enhance your workflow, and walk you through how to start using it effectively. So what is NotebookLM? NotebookLM is an AI-powered research and writing assistant designed to help users analyze and understand documents. It allows you to upload documents, PDF, and other text files. It then uses AI to understand and organize the information within those documents. So how can it benefit you? NotebookLM can be used to enhance your workflow by streamlining document analysis, boosting content generation, enabling intelligent question answering, improving organization, and increasing accessibility. Now that we understand what NotebookLM is and how it can enhance your workflow, let's dive into a walkthrough of the application. Currently, there are two versions of NotebookLM. The standard version is simply called NotebookLM. It is free to use and only requires that you have a Google account and are over the age of 18. NotebookLM Plus includes additional features such as Notebook Analytics, allowing you to create additional notebooks, increasing your daily chat query, and increasing the number of audio generations you have available in a day. NotebookLM Plus is included with a Google One AI premium subscription. A Google One AI premium subscription costs $19.99 a month, so if you don't already have a Google One premium subscription, I would suggest you start off using the free version of NotebookLM and only upgrade if you find yourself frequently reaching its daily limits or you need certain features only available in NotebookLM Plus. Let's start at the welcome page. Now, depending on the version you are using, it will either say Welcome to NotebookLM or Welcome to NotebookLM Plus. For the sake of this tutorial, we will be using NotebookLM Plus. Create New. Click here and this is where you will add your sources. You can upload a supported file source, import documents and slides from Google Drive, paste in a website link or YouTube URL, and paste text directly into your notebook. Additionally, you can select the Discover Source option, type in a topic you are interested in, and NotebookLM will search Google for source material on that topic. For example, let's go to Google Trends and search for the top topic trending in the US within the last 24 hours. You can now take that topic and search for it in the Discover section. As you see, NotebookLM will provide websites, YouTube videos, PDF, etc., all related to the topic. The best part is that the information is current. You can decide which results you want to import into your notebook. Going back to the Create New page, at the bottom, you will see the source limit for your notebook. Keep in mind that you are not limited to uploading just one type of source. On the Welcome page, you will also see all your notebooks. NotebookLM will automatically place an icon in the top left of your notebook icon that lets you know what the notebook is about. Each notebook has 3 dots in the top right-hand corner. If you click on it, you will have the option to either edit the name of the notebook or delete it entirely. You have the option to display your notebooks in tile or list views. If you select the list view, you will see additional data such as the number of sources currently uploaded to the notebook, the date the notebook was created, and the level of access you have to the notebook. Notebooks can be sorted by most recent, title, and shared with me. Shared with me are notebooks others have shared with you for collaboration purposes. In the top right-hand corner are the settings for the NotebookLM application. Here you will find resources such as help, access to the application's Discord server, the option to send feedback to Google about the application, viewing modes, and the option to manage your subscription. Once inside your notebook, you will notice 3 windows. From left to right, they are Sources, Chat, and Studio. Sources. Any sources you upload when you clicked on the Create New option will appear here. This window also gives you the option to add additional sources at any time. The previously mentioned Discover Source option is also available for you to use. Chat. This window also gives you the option to add additional sources. The difference here is that once you upload a source, you have to upload any additional sources using the sources window. The chat window is where NotebookLM gives you a summary of the contents of your sources. Add note. You can add your own notes and have them incorporated into the summary. Audio overview. An AI-generated voice will read back your summary. Mind map. This gives you a visual breakdown of your source material. Start typing. Extrapolates the content of your source and provides it to you based on the information you are looking for. The last window is the studio window. This window consists of the audio overview and note sections. Audio overview. Audio overviews are lively, deep dive discussions that summarize the key topics in your sources. Notes. The notes allow you to add your own notes as well as break down your source material into a study guide, briefing document, FAQ, and timeline. Now let's take a look at some additional features of NotebookLM. If you are using NotebookLM Plus, you will see the Analytics option in the top right corner of the page. This is a collaboration feature that works when the notebook is shared with at least 4 other individuals. Share. Here is where you can share your notebook with other individuals. You can also set the level of access for each individual who will be viewing the notebook. Settings. These are the same settings that we found on the welcome page. Disclaimer. At the bottom of the page, Google does let us know that it is possible for NotebookLM to be inaccurate. So it is important to double check the responses it gives you in the chat window to make sure they are aligned with your sources. So that's it for this beginner's guide to NotebookLM. As you can see, it's a powerful tool designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflows. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions about NotebookLM, feel free to drop a comment below, as we are always happy to assist where we can. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you the next time.